how to recover PowerPoint files. So if you want to recover your PowerPoint files, then what you need to do is the first method is use the recover unsaved presentation feature. Open up your PowerPoint application and then go with the top left, which has open. After that, just simply go with the bottom, which has recover unsaved presentations. Once you click on that, you'll get this kind of interface. And on the top, as you can see, that you will have unsaved files and you will find all of the PowerPoint presentations. But note that this method relies on a feature called auto recover, which should be enabled before you lose your progress. To check if it's enabled or not, you need to go with your file options and then go with more, which will be on the bottom. From there, you can go with more options and go with the save option. And there you need to go and select the option of save auto recover information. You'll be able to see a checkbox. If it's checked, it means auto recover is enabled. You can change the time of auto save interval to prevent data loss. Then you will have second method, which is you can use the auto recover feature. You can go with the same option and then you will have this kind of interface. And here you will have auto recover file location. Right. All you need to do is just copy this location and just paste the file path onto the search bar of your file manager and then hit the enter. And this will take you to a folder that should contain your files like recovered files. Now all you have to do is click on the folder, copy the PowerPoint presentation or file to a saved folder. Or the third method is to recover permanently deleted PowerPoint files, which is you need to have a software, my phone debug. Once you've installed the software, you need to launch on your PC. Next, you need to select PC Drive Recovery button, which will be on the top. From there, you need to go and specify a location. Select a location where you have deleted it. And debug will start an all-round deep scan. Once the scanning process has been completed, go to the file type and select the PowerPoint file. Once it's selected, go with recover, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and it will be recovered. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.